I have been considering some of the deepest truths of nature. By experiencing nature, she has revealed some deep and dark secrets to me. Right under the thin veil of my highly civilized manner lies a man who could go apeshit at any moment. I must kill that man. Suppress him under layers of reason. Get myself civilized, under control. Emotions, for God's sake, be damned. I have looked deep down inside myself and I have come to a decision. Tomorrow I will push a huge rock up the side of a steep mountain. You are likely asking why. Why would you roll a huge rock up a steep mountainside? Because I am an artist, and that's my dream. You disagree with me, I can see it in your eyes. You think that I am insane and wasting my valuable time. But, I am sure of one thing. I will perfect the art of rock and rolling. Yes, that's my destiny, rock and roll. That's music to my ears if I have ever heard it.